special orientation lecture to our students. So as we know, legal education and legal process, these are very, very dynamic concepts in any contemporary societies of any countries. As we know, the understanding of the law, for some people law is dictate of God, nature or reason. Some people it is sovereign command. Some people it is culture. And for some people it is social engineering. Law is like social engineering. There was a better opposition to the formal administration of justice system. Oliver Wendell Holmes, the then American Supreme Court Chief Justice, a strong belief law is not logic, it is human experience. So, rule skeptics, then fact skeptics. So, rule skeptics concentrated on the appellate courts, particularly the constitutional courts, high courts and the Supreme Court. So, the judges must be pragmatic judges. They should understand the social realities. That is the movement of the American realism. The Scandinavian realism, Jerome Frank and others, they had rule skeptics. So at lower level, the fact skeptics, the fact is to be understood. So beyond the law, beyond the textbooks, the fact is to be understood is the understanding of the Scandinavian realists. Whereas, as we all know, particularly the American realist says that law is, of course, law is not a mathematical sum to solve. It is a painting to paint. So it depends upon the creativity of the judge. So our Honorable Justice Ravi garu, while he was selecting the topic for giving the orientation lecture, he himself identified as a pragmatic judge. So beyond textbooks, we have to understand. So in the process of that, in India also, when we conducted jury matrix, if you take Hidayatullah proudly said, whenever a case comes to me regarding the death penalty or awarding of life imprisonment, I confirmed in all the same person cases awarding death penalty. Even life imprisonment was converted as death penalty. He proudly declared, because he has a strong believer of that. Whereas Justice P.N. Bhagavati converted all the death penalties into life imprisonments. So regarding the jury matter, the study, the behavior of the judge, the background of the judge, the brought up of the judge plays an important role. So unless the judge has the qualitative approach, particularly just now our Honorable Justice shared, without discipline, nothing will be happen to the people. So unless we have disciplined life, we cannot achieve anything. So here, as far as tenants is concerned, Tulsapurkar, whenever a case comes to Tulsapurkar, Justice Tulsapurkar, he gave the favorable judgments in favor of landlords. Whenever a case came to Justice D.A. Desai, he gave the judgment, 100% judgments in favor of tenants. So that's why the behavior, the brought up of the judge is very, very important in delivering system. So in the contemporary judicial administration system, the administration of justice system, we should all note all these things. The young advocates, the young judges, who are the warriors of the justice, as our Honorable Justice identified, unless these people are dynamic, we cannot achieve that particular administration of justice in its true sense. I welcome Justice C.H. Ravi garu for Damodaram Sanjivayya National Law University. Thank you very much, sir, for accepting our invitation. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir, for the inspiring words.
Justice Ravi garu was born in the city of Visakhpatnam on 4th December 1967 to Srimati Suryakantam and Sri Ramamurthy. His father, Sri Ramamurthy, is a senior most advocate in Visakhapatnam. Justice Ravi did his B.Com from Dr. L.B. College, Visakhapatnam and B.L. from NBM Law College, Visakhapatnam, which are both affiliated to Andhra University. He then got enrolled in the rolls of Bar Council of Andhra Pradesh on 23rd August 1995 and joined the office of his father and senior Sri Ramamurthy garu. Later, he shifted his practice to the then Andhra Pradesh High Court at Hyderabad. He practiced in civil, criminal, writs, constitutional and revenue law. Thereafter, he served as a standing counsel for Panchayati Raj institutions for 3 years from 2015 to 2018. After the establishment of High Court in Andhra Pradesh, his lordship shifted his practice to Amravati in the year 2019. He is also standing counsel for Visakhapatnam Steel Plant. He has contributed to the jurisprudence immensely and has pronounced many reputed judgments. He has 2 younger siblings, a brother and a sister. His brother is also an advocate practicing at Visakhapatnam District Court 2022. Thank you, sir, for being with us today. With these few words, I would like to invite him to deliver today's orientation lecture.
Good morning to all. It's an immense pleasure to stand before you all, that too in my lovely Visakhpatnam city. When Vice Chancellor FutureWarriors Rao asked me to come for this workshop or convocation, so I have in 2 minds whether to come or not to come. Once we miss to mold ourselves, we miss many things in the life. All these law graduates, you get subjects, many things in the subjects. That is only one part. What is life beyond what is there in the books? That is very important, which you don't get in the books. I always share what I believe, what I learned, to all the youngsters. It is not that you have to follow whatever I say. You can think twice before agreeing what I say. So I was thinking it's very difficult to get into the practice. But time passed, my destiny pushed me into this profession. Then what next? One good quality or bad quality, I don't know what I'd say. If I see somebody, even youngsters, if I feel that they have a good quality, some good quality in them, I always pick up that good quality and adopt, and I try to implement the same. So that one way, I think it has helped me to mold my life. So I came into the profession, then understood life is nothing but planning. You need not hang in the chamber for long hours. Those days, there are no planning and no infrastructure. So now we know we reach in artificial intelligence stage. So everything is easy. At the same time, we should not totally rely on this technology. Earlier 2 plus 2, 4 confidently we used to say. Now 2 plus 2 you use calculator. So that is the situation now. So I believe that we should not totally rely on the infrastructure, what the technology is now available. Our mind will get faded if we totally rely on that. So I came into the profession, joined my father's chamber for about 1.5 years. Somehow I fell in love with practicing in the High Court. So I shifted my base to the High Court. So I have seen most ups and downs, not only in the profession, my profession, but many people. So I just used to think why that person's life is like this, why this person's life is like this, why my life is like this and all. Visualize what would be the reasons, so that we make ourselves to do less mistakes or less things to keep our life in a smooth and good manner. One more thing I don't believe is he is intelligent, he is average. There is no, according to me, there is no intelligent and average. All are same. The amount of concentration we keep on the topic is important. One will understand one instance, some others may not understand. At least should they go 2-3 times. So friends, you are all future advocates, dreamers of justice, and concerned keepers of our constitution. The life is in your hands, so it is for you to mold your life. One more thing, what I believe is what we give, we get back. And we forgot that principle. What we give, what we get back. So you should be a good human being first. If we do something wrong to others, that will happen the same to you in our life. But we don't accept that. We say that our stars are not good, and we go to Almighty and say that why my life is like this. So if you are a good human being, the society will be good with you. Everything will be smooth, and the Almighty God will definitely lay a good path to everyone. This simple logic. Today, as I look upon to you all, aspiring law students, young minds burning with questions and dreams, I feel a deep sense of responsibility and also of hope. You are not just the future of the bar and bench. You are the future concerns of our constitution. So how many people here, I just want to ask, who would like to come into the profession, practice? How many people? Please raise your hands. How many people want to come into the profession? Very few. Alright, I'll ask from one girl and one boy, why you want to come into the profession? What is the reason? You are the first generation or anybody else in your family or profession?
Sir, good morning. First of all,
Very
I'm a first generation lawyer of my family. I'm a first generation lawyer. And since when I was a kid, I always liked
Bhaypadakama. You know Telugu?
yes.
Bhaypadadu.
Sir, since when I was a kid, I think I really liked the judicial system and I always wanted to become a lawyer. And yeah, I think it really motivates me to see like famous advocates or you. And I think I really like it.
Good. Anybody from boys side?
Morning, respected sir. Sir, though I will be a first generation lawyer, but the things that drives me towards the legal profession is that I believe the society has been plagued enough by injustices and corruption. So I have that aim to rectify all this. So this is one of the principles that drives me towards this, and plus it pays well. So that is fine.
Very good. Join profession with utmost dedication and adopt these principles. The profession will take you into the folded hand and give you a good path. Every senior will try to take you as this junior. The amount of trust and confidence you gain in the minds of your senior, you soon become a good, successful lawyer, a good lawyer. Again, successful, I don't believe there is no successful according to me. Success, again, is a broad meaning. I don't know what is success. My understanding of success is different, I tell you. Your seniors or clients first will approach the junior advocate and interact with him. And he'll explain the case, and if you advise him properly, and if you create confidence in the mind of your client, next time the client will come directly to you and say that senior is very busy, enough your junior comes and argue my case, that is enough. No, your senior son, you can not required. Next time, small cases will directly come to you. This profession is nothing, there is no canvas, it's a mouth of word. So, this myth, first generation, second generation, please don't keep it in mind. If you want to come into this profession, believe me, work hard. You should be an integrated core. Discipline is very important. Discipline is important in any profession in the life. Now, success according to me is not that you're making money, having big office. I don't believe that is a success. Success is nothing but standing as a role model in the society. One should feel proud of you, whether friends, the society, or a family, or parents. One should think that if a daughter is, he should be like this, or son, like this. So that is success. Our life will resolve around three people: father, mother, and guru. Guru is not only the person who teaches you the subjects. The guru, you learn whatever in the life from a particular person is a guru. Right from presentation of the case, dress sense, sitting style, walking style, everything. These are the elements which improves your character in the life. If you don't believe this, and say that my destiny, you throw burden on the destiny or fault with the destiny or stars. I don't know, I don't agree for that. My first law clerk and now present law clerk are from your university only. They know what is passing in my mind, what I usually tell to the youngsters. And she prepared this topic. And she prepared well. So you are in a very good university and you have a good faculty. You can learn a lot of things. How many people like this university? Don't worry, don't fear, I am there. Your Vice Chancellor or teachers will not say, yes, very good. Sir, good marks. I told my Chief Justice, I am sitting with Chief Justice in the division bench. So I said, Vice Chancellor called me to the university. I am just thinking whether to go or not. No, brother, please go. It is our university. And we should see the comforts of our students. Whether they are comfortably staying in the university or not. We just check. He is our Chancellor. And he assured, and in fact he has asked me to convey to you all that your stay in the university should be very comfortable with all good first class amenities. And he assured that he already instructed, actually he has already instructed the university to provide all high class amenities, ACs, food, and nobody should have any discomfort or the system where you are now living, you should feel like home, you are staying at home, so that you can concentrate on your studies, you can plan for your future. We are being a Visakhpatnam. I am very proud that such a lovely university we have in Visakhpatnam. Very nice, beautiful city, nice people, and we have a very good visitor, Justice Narasimha, and the Chancellor Dheeraj Singh Thakurji, Chief Justice of Andhra Pradesh. Everybody knows that they are very legal luminaries, man of principles, and jurists. But they are very good human beings and down to earth. Though they reach to that heights, still they are on the ground. So I always follow them and learn, and I am also at learning stage. Everybody in this system are law students only. Justice PS Narasimha, in his speech which I like most, said, the law is not a profession you join, it is a discipline you live. He always offers valuable guidance to the young lawyers. without connectivity with the realities. A lawyer is only a technocrat. Even the constitution fathers studied in England or America, they would apply their knowledge in a manner that was necessary. They did it because of the background that they had. They were deeply rooted. Every idea, every thought they picked up in their foreign education was filtered through their experience of what our country wanted and needed. For that matter, even Gandhi and Ambedkar ji acquired such knowledge, turned it around and built the Indian constitution framework as it suits our country. Some of our great judges also had foreign education but adopted it and applied it bit by bit and built the presidential law. So to stay brick by brick as they delivered their judgments. So be close to India and get to know what the needs of the people are. His words remind us that true legal practice is not just about technical knowledge, but about empathy and understanding of the society we serve. Just now, one of our brother who has said that society is facing a lot of problems. Where is he? Yes. So, Justice Narasimha's thoughts also same. So, he always addressed to the young lawyers. He also emphasizes that enduring professional satisfaction comes when you combine personal success with nominal national service. Similarly, jurist and the lawyer PS Nariman reminds us, once a student of law, always a student of law. The law is vast and ever-changing and as vast as unfathomable as the sky, he says. No one, however senior, can ever say that they know all of it. You must remain curious. You must remain open to learning. This is what I told you. We are all law students ever because we keep changing. We should be updated in the latest judgments. Sir Nariman sir also reminds us that your duty to the court is sacred. You must bring all relevant law to the judge's attention, even if it goes against your case. Never cite overruled cases. Never lose your temper in court, and never seek cheap publicity by criticizing judges in the media. He says, the worst enemy of hard work is a fixed monetary reward. In the beginning, you may earn little, but do not lose heart. You are not clerks. You are not employees. You are students of law and advocates of justice. Let your hard work be driven not by pay but by purpose. One should remember this. No man is above the law and no man is below it. Theodore Roosevelt, prolific writer, in addition to being a US president, soldier and reformer, said so. It is the spirit, not the form of law, that keeps justice alive. Early Warren is also attorney and former Chief Justice of United States. Injustice anywhere is a threat to justice everywhere. Martin Luther King, American Baptist minister, said so. Injustice anywhere is a threat to justice everywhere. Martin Luther King said, there is a higher court than courts of justice, and that is the court of conscience. Mahatma Gandhi ji said so. So let me close with this personal reflection. In my years on the bench, I have been brilliant advocates stumble due to arrogance, and extent juniors arise because of sincerity. Skill can be taught, character cannot. You are not expected to know everything when you begin, but you are expected to be honest, curious and committed. These are the traits that make not just a good advocate, but a great one. One thing, friends, I believe you should also accept. There is a word, Matru Devo Bhava, Pitru Devo Bhava, Acharya Devo Bhava. You have heard? Anybody? Yes. How many people are following that? I'll tell you my personal experience. Right from my childhood, my mother used to say, have breakfast in time, have lunch in time, dinner in time, go to bed in time. Even today she tells me, what is this? I'm not a kid. Why are you after me? I know what to do. Please leave me. These are the words I also said. Ultimately landed up in acidity. Then went to the doctor. Why did I get acidity? Doctor said, I always keep this telling. I said, doctor said, no, you must be not having your timely food and timely sleep. So you are landed up with medicines. So if I hear my mother words, this problem of acidity I would not have got. Small things, friends, carries a lot in our life. We think that small things. Parents, Guru, they always tell us why. Why did they tell us? Are they enemies? No, for our good self only. Even today, I have fear of my father. He is 93 years old. He calls me in the morning. Are still on the bed? When are you going to reach to the court? So, if I get a phone call, I am worried. Oh, I am still on the bed. He will call me and ask what I am doing. No, I am already getting ready to the court. One who listen to the parents and Guru, your path will be laid by God. They always tell for ourselves to have a good path. But we don't listen. Even I am also don't think that. Should not have a fear of Guru. Guru should be like a friend. And we should follow what they say. Even after coming to profession, I told you, if you adopt these principles, one day you will become very good lawyer and you will stand as a role model in the society. In the lunch time, breakfast time, I don't know. So your good evening Saturday will be spoiled because you don't have college today. You have college? Yes. Oh, I come in the way to your classes. So thank you very much for having a patient hearing, and I thank Vice Chancellor D.S.Prakasa Rao and the university for inviting me and remembering my old days. But with painful heart I am going back because I am not a student like you. If God presents before me and asks what do you want, please give me my student life. I want to sit in the University of Damodaram, Sanjivayya University. I always like to be young. I will always interact with youngsters. I always encourage youngsters. They are so sweet and knowledgeable persons. They are very clever in picking up the points. And some guidance is required, that's all. Good guidance. So I also interact with the youngsters and I learn what is trending so that I can update myself in the life. Thank you all. Thank you all the staff who have gathered here for having a patient hearing. I am sorry if I made you to detain. Thank you.
I would would like to thank our Honorable Chief Guest, Justice Cheemalapati Ravi for taking the time to deliver such insightful wisdom to us today. Thank you, sir. I would now like to request our Honorable Registrar, sir, to propose a vote of thanks.
To express my sincere thanks to Honorable Justice Ravi for delivering very good speech on what is the importance of credibility and integrity, subject, time management and everything. Thank you, sir, for inspiring our students. I thank each and everyone present here, faculty members and bar council members and students and staff. Thank you very much. Thank you.
I know, as when he landed in Andhra, Telangana, Delhi. But here only. But for this guy I've seen somewhere. But I don't remember. It was
Like beaches and all.
no, basically like. You start comparing.
It's good, sir.
Where are you from?